5 seconds to go. Start. The seniority list was later on modified on 13 February 2018 without giving an opportunity of being heard to the affected direct recruits. Stop. Para. At this stage, we may note here that factual aspects stated in the affidavit dated 12th October 2022 filed by Shri Anurag Chandra, Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax in the Office of the Principal Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Gujarat. Stop. The affidavit refers to the interim order dated 13 July 2018 in the civil appeal arising out of SLP civil number 16161 of 2018, by which status quo as of that date with respect to the posts held, was ordered to be maintained. Stop. The affidavit notes that as a result of the interim order, the promotion to the cadre of income tax officers from the cadre of income tax inspectors could not take place. Stop. As a result, 33.33% of posts in the cadre of income tax officers are vacant as the same cannot be filled in. Stop. As noted earlier, the decision in the case of K. Megha Chandra applies prospectively, that is from 19th November 2019. Stop. Prima facie, the seniority fixed based on the decision in the case of N.R. Parmar has to be given effect. Stop. Therefore, while we are recommending a reference to a larger bench, interim relief will have to be vacated and seniority will have to be fixed on the basis of the impugned judgment, subject to the final outcome of the appeal or the decision of the larger bench, as the case may be. Stop. Para. Hence, we pass the following order, para. We are of the considered view that the following questions need to be decided by a larger bench of 5 honorable judges, para. Whether the decision in the case of K. Megha Chandra can be said to be a binding precedent in the light of the law laid down by the Constitution bench and the law laid down by a coordinate bench in the case of M. Subba Reddy. Sign of interrogative mark. Para. In absence of specific statutory rules to the contrary, when the rotation of quota rule is applicable, whether the seniority of direct recruits who were recruited in the recruitment process which commenced in the relevant recruitment year but ended thereafter, can be fixed by following rotation of quota by interspacing them with the direct recruits of the same recruitment year who were promoted earlier during the same year. Sign of interrogation. Para. We direct the registry to place this petition before Honorable the Chief Justice of India for appropriate orders. Stop. Para. The interim relief granted on 13th July 2018 stands vacated. Stop. Effect shall be given to the impugned judgment subject to the final outcome of this appeal or reference, as the case may be. Stop. We also clarify that the seniority of promotees and direct recruits who may be appointed hereafter will be subject to the final outcome of the decision of this appeal or the decision in reference, as the case may be. Stop. Accordingly, concerned persons shall be informed in writing by the Income Tax Department. Stop. Para. In the civil appeal arising out of special leave petition civil diary number 12422 of 2002, the challenge is to the judgment and order dated 6 February 2018 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Patna, which follows the decision in the case of N.R. Parmar dealing with the issue of appointment of income tax inspectors pertaining to the recruitment year 2009-10. Stop. This appeal be heard along with the main appeal. Stop.